Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because you won't miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. However, as I've said many a time, Halloween and Christmas is basically here. So I'm uploading all the time, so make sure that notification bell is turned on so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today we have another unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing the Revolution Ultimate Glamour collection, which just looks like this. So this retails for £50, $62, €52.99 or 90 Australian dollars. If you do use my code on the UK, US or Australian website, which is LUCE20, Luce20, it's always in my description down below, you will save yourself 20% off, which will save you quite a hefty amount, to be fair, when it comes to a pricey item like this. So please use the code. I've said it a million times, I don't make any money from the code or anything like that. It just helps to save you money. The more that we actually use it, lipstick on my teeth. The more that we actually use it, the more they will keep renewing it. So yeah, please use it and help save yourself some pennies, or in this case, some pounds. So let's just get straight into it. So obviously this is what it looks like. I really like the packaging this year because normally these ones come in like that black box, and they've done it a bit different this year as well. So if you remember, I remember this for years and years and years. I remember years and years ago buying my mum one of these, and the only thing about it is normally when you open it up, each of the things say what's inside. It hasn't really got the surprise element to it. So this year, they've completely changed it up, and instead they have numbered it, and they've also put them in a different order as well, so that it is more of like an advent calendar style. So this has 12 days. Let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to start with number one, which is a palette. So this is what it looks like. So it is the Glow Up Bronze and Contour palette. This is what it looks like. I love that it goes really, really deep in here. I feel like this is such a good colour range. I'd love to know what you think down below, because obviously I normally will think like in my colour range, but I love that it does go really, really deep, and it also has a deeper highlighter as well as a lighter one. Okay, really impressed by that. Please let me know as well, do you want me to do like a video doing like a full face of what's in here? I'll try and use like as many products as possible. Next, moving on to number two. Oh, it's a lip scrub. I was thinking, what is this? We have a little lip scrub. Definitely going to need that in the colder months. And then moving on to number three, which is a bit further down. Oh, this one sounds very light. Oh, there's another box inside. They've never done this before. This has lashes inside, so these are flutter lashes in feather. Oh my god, they're actually really nice as well. And this is just what they look like. I'm sorry, but they are actually beautiful lashes. Okay. Was not expecting that. I've filmed quite a lot of unboxing content so far, and I've had so many surprises. Like, just you wait to see what is to come. But I will leave my Christmas 2022 playlist down below. For number four, we have two products in here. Ooh, what are these? These just look like this. I don't know what was going on with my focus then, it just wasn't working. So we have this colour. Let me do a little swatch, which is more of like a bronzy shade. So these are like eye crayons. Yeah, eyeshadow sticks. And then we have like a lighter one. Can you see that one there? Oh, that would be beautiful for the inner corner and the brow bone. I love that you actually get two of them. Just for number four. Okay, very happy with that. So that's number four. Then we have number five, which feels really heavy. I'm going to guess it's probably going to be like a spray or something, because that's really heavy. Yeah, it looks like it. A nice big spray. This is the Illuminating Fix and Spray. I wonder if it smells of anything. Let's have a... I can't open it. Oh my god, I can't open it. Let's have a spray. Ooh. Oh, it's actually quite a nice spray. Doesn't particularly smell of anything, so I just wanted to see what it smelled like. So yeah, that is behind day number five, like a nice big full-size spray. Then moving to day number six, which is another palette. So this is day number six, which is the Sweet Cheeks Blush and Highlighter palette. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try these in the video. Honestly, please do let me know if you want me to do a video testing all of this, because I'm so excited. Then moving on to number seven, which is like really fat inside the box. Like it's really, it's a lipstick. Oh my god, it's like really stuck in there. Get out. That was a proper arm work out that. So we have a full-size lipstick. This one is in the shade Schaffer. I always never know how to pronounce that. It's basically one of Revolution's like classic lipstick shades. I don't know if this is the one that's like really similar to Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Pretty sure it is. So that's number 7. Then we have number 8, which is actually right next to it. This one moves around a lot more. Ooh, okay, so this one we have the Ultimate Eye Base, which to be fair has been out of stock for ages. But this is the Ultimate Eye Base Eye Primer, but this one's in the shade Medium. So this one here that I've got is the shade Light. If you remember last year in the Revolution gift set, you got the shade Medium and it was like straight up orange, like complete, just way too dark for me, and just full on orange. This is a totally different colour. So this one is Medium, which just looks like this. The only thing about this is obviously it's not going to be able to suit everybody, this one, because obviously it is just that lighter shade. But let me just compare that to the actual light one, because the light one for me is too light. I could have done with like a shade darker, but the shade darker was literally orange. Look at the difference between the two. So that one is the light one, which was like the original one, and this one is like this new packaging but in the shade Medium. Medium is like the perfect Lucy shade. Okay, wow, very happy about that. But the only thing about that is obviously it's only going to suit certain people. I know some people do like to use a white base for the eyeshadow regardless of skin tone and stuff like that. However, some people don't, so I always find it's a bit of a tricky one when it comes to stuff like that, where it can be more for like a certain skin colour. But that is like my perfect colour that I've been waiting for them to do in this eye base, and I just never thought that it would happen. Wow. Yeah, really happy with that. Moving on to number 9, which sounds a bit weird. It's got a lot of a bigger one. Okay, we've got a little pouch, which just looks like this. Things like this, I never really use them. Same as like the little compact mirrors. This one actually feels quite good quality, to be honest. But yeah, I never really use them. I normally give them to a family or friend instead. So Laura, if you're watching this, it's probably going to end up going in your donation bag. I give my friend Laura like so much makeup now, bless her, she absolutely loves it. And then moving on to number 10, which is a small one, but there's definitely multiple things in here. I'm guessing like a pencil. Oh no, there's like brushes. Yes, and you get 3. Oh my god, if you watch any of my YouTube videos, you know I absolutely love the brushes from the Christmas gift sets. So this is like a fluffy one, then we have a packing on one, and then we also have an angled one as well. Buzzing. Then moving on to day 11, which sounds interesting. So in this one we have a mascara, which just looks like this. Let's see what the wand is like. Oh, okay. Oh, it's curved at the end. You see that? Okay. Interesting. So that is mascara for day number 11. And then last but not least, I've already seen it because when I opened it, it's like this side. And last but not least, for day number 12, we have an eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I could definitely do like a full look with this box. So please let me know if you want me to do that, especially because that primer, right up my street. I hope that's in some other Christmas gift sets, because I could do with having 1 or 2 of them, especially if it is just going to be a Christmas gift set thing, because that is the perfect shade for me. But this is what the palette looks like. This is the Mesmerize eyeshadow palette. I'm sorry for that gold, stunning. And then this is just what the palette looks like up close. So nice neutral palette. We do have that sparkly black, so you could go a little bit darker. But yeah, more of like a neutral warm palette, and that gold looks, I'm going to swatch it. Oh my god, that gold looks beautiful. So yeah, that's everything that is in this Ultimate Glamour collection. I would love to know what you think down below. Would you like me to do a review of me testing as much as I possibly can in here? Then please let me know again in the comments, and whether you think it's worth the price tag or not, because I think that'd be really interesting to know what you think. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll most likely see you tomorrow for a brand new video. If not, there'll probably be one the day after that. And I love you so much. Make sure that notification bell is turned on so you don't miss any of my other unboxings. And check out my channel just in case there's anything that you've missed so far. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, I got it out my teeth. Sexy. Sexy. Okay, love you. Bye.